Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here with another one simple trick video, and I want to show you how to easily tie one of these multi-loop faux bows. So I've got linen thread here because most of us have that in our stash, but this will work with any twine or ribbon. You're going to leave an open end here and create your loops. They can be small or large. If you look at my creations, I've done both. And you're just going to loop this back and forth in your fingers. Now we're doubled on both sides. And now I'm tripled on both sides. And then I'm going to take this and wrap it around. Let me pinch this because I want to wrap it around my finger on the back side, and at this point I'm going to cut that loose. You can leave it longer tails if you care to, and then I'm just going to take that loose piece and tuck it in where my finger was here on the back side, and I'm going to pinch and pull. I want to pinch those bow pieces together and then pull this piece. And now before I pull it all the way tight, I want to make sure that I'm centered here. So I'm going to tighten it. Now this is not tied all the way like a regular bow is, and this loop will continue to move back and forth. So the next thing that I do is take my glue dots and put 2 of them on the back, and that way I've got one a little bit on this side of the bow and a little bit on this side of the bow, and it keeps this from coming loose. Now since I don't have a project I'm putting this on right away, I'll just stick this to a bit of the paper from my glue dots, and since I didn't leave a long tail on that side, I'll trim this one just a little shorter. And I've got a bow ready to go. You can make those up well in advance and be ready to stick them on any project. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you would like to receive notices the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.